What's up, guys? Welcome to Oz Wealth, another quiet day in the long inauguration week. Today, the Friday, was one of those back and forth type of days. We got a slight loss on the Dow, slight loss also on the S&P 500, a slight gain on the Nasdaq, and the Russell 2000 was the best performer for today. As for the sectors, as you see here, it's pretty much like flat, slight losses, slight gains here and there. The real estate was taking the lead, followed by the utilities and the communication services. As for my Robinhood portfolio, we pretty much flat. The day ended the way it started with the gain of 0.05 for today, and so for today is almost flat. For the week, we have 1% of a gain. For the months, we have 11% of a gain. For 3 months, we have 26% of a gain, and for the year, we have 38% of a gain with $15,621, and for overall, we have almost 40% gain with $15,841. Earnings are the big focus. We actually have over 100 names reporting earnings in the S&P 500 alone next week, and that is not even the busiest week of the earnings. So get your rest. We get a busy week next week. We will take a look through that. We got Apple reporting earning possibly their first $100 billion quarter of revenue ever, so we will see about that. Tesla, Microsoft, Verizon, J&J, and tons of semiconductor stocks, and also Starbucks. Speaking of Johnson & Johnson, they're reporting on Tuesday, and we're looking to hear more about the vaccines, especially after Pfizer and Moderna were dominating the market and the news about their vaccine. Now we're seeing Johnson & Johnson coming back to the surface. So hopefully it's going to be such a busy, tumultuous week with all this earnings. And so hopefully it's going to be a big opportunities for some dips and get some stocks on discounts. As for my overall investing portfolio, as you see here, the gain today is 0, so we ended the way we started with $74,225. As for the income, we're starting to see some dividends showing up for the next 30 days, so we're going to receive $22 from SPHD and LTC. There's $104 coming from AT&T, and this is the most dividend I've ever received from one company. So we're starting to see the compound effect of the dividend start kicking in. On the 9th, we're going to get $6.24 from AG&C. American Express are going to send us $3.01. On the 12th, we're going to get $18.50 from Pembina and Main Street Capital. On the 16th, we're going to get paid 3 times from Hormel Food, Realty Income, and Stag. And on the 19th, Caterpillar is going to send us a check of $3.09. And on the 26th, we're going to receive $5.07 from LTC. As for the total income I'm going to get from dividends in the month of February, as you see here, I'm going to be getting $204. On March, I'm going to be getting $170. April is going to be the lowest. I think January is going to be the lowest. And then April, I'm going to be getting only $90. And then May, we're going to be starting to come back, pick up at $205. June, we're going to be getting $170. July, $90. August, $205. September, $170. 90. October, $205. November, and in December, where the Roth IRA and the HSA and the best ETFs in my portfolio in Robinhood account pays also in December. So as you see here, December is going to be the most paying month in the entire year. With a total dividend revenue of 2021 as I stand right now, I should be getting $2,085 per my balance right now. But as I invest $2,000 to $3,000 every month, those numbers are going to be increasing, and this $400 should be around $500 by the end of this year. As for the top gainers in my Robinhood portfolio, Apple today gained 2.56%, which puts the stock's value at $140. And as you see here, Apple was on the rise for the last 3-4 days. if you see the week and how Apple like escalated from 127 to 131 to 135 and ending on Friday $140. Incredible for Apple. As for the biggest loser for today, Intel lost 10% of its value. The stock drops back to $56.11. ARK continued to going up with 1.55% at $147. SPHD is almost flat with a loss of like 0.5%. AT&T, the stock is on the sleeping mode, also like a gain of half a percent. Realty Income also like less than a 1% gain. LTC we got 1.21. Stag is 0.32%. So pretty much like everything is still the same. As you see here, Johnson & Johnson with all the news about their vaccine coming up next Tuesday, the stock is piling up some momentum with 1.56%, and the stock's right now is at $164. As for the rest, ExxonMobil, the energy stock, which is still on my watch list to get more shares of it probably the end of this month, is starting to lose some weight, especially after the new administration signed plenty of executive orders embarking the journey toward the clean energy. As for the dividend safety of my income from dividends, the stocks that I own range between unsafe to very, very safe. So as you see here, AGNC is the only dividend stock that I own that is very unsafe according to simplysafedividend. They have them at 23, and as you get close to 100 means that you're very safe, followed by Stag, LTC, Bank of America, ExxonMobil. They range between the borderline and safe, followed by Mainstream Capital, Philip Morris, AT&T, Realty Income, American Express, Coca-Cola, Pembina, Consolidated Edison, Caterpillar, Intel. As you see here, as we're reaching the 99 from Apple, Hormel Food, and Johnson & Johnson, those are the most safe dividend stocks. And as we get to the ETFs and the index funds, simplysafedividends do not rate those ETFs whether they're safe or unsafe because they go through a different formula. So as you see here, most of my dividend stocks are likely safe according to simplysafedividend, and the borderline stocks are about 17%, and the very unsafe stocks are around 4%. So according to simplysafedividend, AGNC is a very unsafe stock. It's a monthly mortgage REIT, monthly paying dividend. That's what I'm keeping it because I enjoy the monthly payment from AGNC, and the total investment in AGNC is $800. I'm not gonna lose my mind over $800, but this stock is on my watch list to be substituted with another stable, safe, close to the 90% of the simplysafedividend as far the safety factor. And as you see here, 25% unrated, which includes the ETFs and the index funds, whether they are SPHD or ARK or the multiple index funds that I have with my Roth IRA and the HSA.
That's it, guys, for this week. If you have not signed up to Robinhood yet, links are in the description below. You can get a free stock from Robinhood. It's a win-win deal. And if you have not smashed the like button, please do so. You can kick it, hit it, smack it, do something to it. It will mean a lot to me. And if you like the content of this channel in general, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell. And until next time, you guys take care.